Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for August 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. So, i-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, let's see Pisces. Let's see Pisces for August 2024. Not for you. Oh, Pisces, malalaman mo na hindi pala para sa'yo ang isang bagay na ito. Oo. So, maaring ito yung mga, inaasahan mo na, ano kaya para sa akin kaya to? So, at least, you will know that it's not for you. Diba? Kesa naman sayangan mo yung oras mo doon. Hindi naman pala para sa'yo. You have a leg up. So someone is always there to support you, to guide you, to help you. And then deep knowing. So yung iba, this is major realization of what you really want. Kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. This can be anything. Relationship, career, business. So tinan natin tong para mas specific. Ano tong not for you? Ano po tong hindi para sa Pisces? Oh my God. Relationships. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay nasa situation na medyo magulo, yung complicated yung situation mo sa relationship, maaring you will realize na, this person is not for me pala. O kaya naman business partnership. Okay? Hindi pala sa akin tong business partnership na to. Sinisave ka rito, Pisces. Sinisave ka sa hassle. Sinisave ka sa problema in the future because it's not for you. Okay? So, syempre, kung okay naman kayo, masaya kayo ng partner mo, hindi to talaga para sa'yo. That message is not for you. But for those na naguguluhan, parang hindi nyo na sigurado kung itong person na ba to ay siya na, yung may mga pinagdadaanan sa relationship, no? Possible that is not for you. Tinan pa natin isa pa. Second house. Second house is your values, money, possessions. O baka meron kayong mga gustong ma-accomplish or makuha ngayong August. Tipong maipundar na pwedeng hindi pa ibibigay sa'yo kasi hindi pa para sa'yo. Okay? Let's see your overall energy. You have the King of Swords. I think you are very careful in your decision making. Maaring ikaw yung tipo na mag-aaral muna. Pag-aaralan mo muna bago ka magdesisyon. Pag-iisipan mo muna bago ka magdesisyon. This is someone na very strict yung energy niya. Okay? So, I feel like, kung meron kayong gusto na ma-accomplish ngayong August, you will make sure na makukuha nyo yung gusto nyo, hindi yung pwede na yan. Okay? Halimbawa, meron kang gustong bilhing damit. Tapos, nakita mo, okay naman siya, maganda siya. Tapos, pero may kulang, no? Parang kulang sa botones, or kulang sa design, or kung ano pang gusto mo doon. So, hindi ka magsisettle doon. Kasi, kahit gusto mo, no? Hindi yun yung requirement mo. Hindi yun yung standards mo. Okay? So, let's see your challenge. The Page of Cups. I see this as, can be a romantic connection na nagsisimula. Pwedeng maging challenging sa'yo. Pwedeng sa una, hindi mo gusto tong taong to. Or, meron ka nagugustuhan pero hindi ka naman pinapansin. Aray. So, yun yung sinasabi nating not for you. Okay? magiging sensitive ka sa signs. You will see the signs, yung mga senyales, no? Magiging aware ka na, okay, hindi para sa akin yun kasi hindi nangyari or hindi to nangyari. Diba? Your opportunity, the Five of Swords. Oh, this is about competition, conflict. So I think, kung magkakaroon ka ng competition ngayong August, like, can be anything, no? Pwedeng nasali ka sa beauty contest or kung ano pa. As an opportunity, maglalakas loob ka, no? Na ipakita yung ikaw, yung totoong ikaw. Kasi you have this very competitive aura, very competitive energy sa'yo. Na it doesn't matter kung manalo ka, matalo ka, ang importante is sumali ka. Ganun. Ang importante is naipakita mo, na share mo yung talents mo, yung skills mo, napakilala mo yung sarili mo. Your blessing is the Knight of Cups. Ooh, this is offer. A love offer. Okay. I'm getting it. So, maaring, iba sa inyo, na kung meron kayong relationship na, it's not really working anymore, this can lead to separation or letting go of that person dahil meron sa yung ipapadala. Kala mo sulat lang o pera. May ipapadala sa iyo ang universe na person na dinideserve mo. Someone who will take care of you. Someone who will appreciate you. That is someone that you really deserve. What is the King of Swords? The Star, yes. You're also focused on your dreams, your hopes, your ano man yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve ngayong August. Determinado ka talaga. You have the Six of Cups. This is in your challenge energy. So, pwedeng yung iba, parang torn between a decision kung meron kang babalikan or mag-move on ka na for a new experience. You will know, malalaman mo yan kung ano yung best for you. What is the Five of Swords? Eight of Swords. As an opportunity, I think, malalaman mo rito kung gaano ka kalakas. Kung how are you going to break free from your limitations. Oo. Ito yung i-challenge mo yung sarili mo na, okay, ito yung limitations ko, but I will prove to myself, no? Papatunayan ko sa sarili ko na kaya kong umalis sa limitation na yan. What is the Knight of Cups? You have the Four of Swords. Healing. Alam nyo, darating itong person na to, new connection, new relationship, the moment na nakapag-heal ka na from your past. So, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-heal, nandun ka pa rin sa energy ni past, hindi pa ito ibibigay sa'yo. Yung new person. Pero kung healed ka na, andyan na, darating na siya. Money, career, finances, Four of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. So, I think, meron kang marireceive na, it's like a bonus, no? Lalo na kung sa tingin mo, walang improvement sa iyong trabaho, sa career, sa business mo, merong bonus. Kasi siguro, hindi mo lang nakikita yung opportunity na yan, kasi iniisip mo kung ano yung wala sa'yo. But there is something na you offer, something na naghihintay, no? It's like a new opportunity in your career, money, finances, that will bring stability, financial stability. Okay, so sa love life, tingnan natin. Love life. Oops, okay. The Empress. And the Eight of Swords. Oh, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong limitations, oh. Eight of Swords. It's time to move on, Pisces. Ito yung tipong i-reinvent mo yung sarili mo. Di ba merong mga tao, pag nag-separate sila sa isang person na very toxic, umalis sa isang toxic relationship, makikita mo unti-unti nag-grow sila. Oo, mas nagiging maganda yung aura nila kasi natanggal na nila yung nega energy sa paligid nila. So ngayon, they are taking care of themselves. So that's what I'm seeing for you. You will become the best version of yourself in a relationship. Freedom, o, di ba? You are freeing yourself. May betrayal, o. Siguro ayan na yung marirealize mo, no? The opportunity to know who is uh, true to you, no? Yung totoo sa'yo at sino yung mga taong hindi totoo sa'yo. And then, you will be working really smart. You will focus on your career and achieving your goals, your dreams. Mas magiging disiplinado ka para makuha mo yung gusto mong resulta. Trust. Approach the situation with a light heart. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magtitiwala kayo ulit. And this time, alam nyo na kung dinideserve ng taong yan, ng sitwasyon yan, yung tiwala mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.